Hi everyone. Okay, so entry number 14, Debbie Harris. Debbie, thank you for sending in your entry. So let's have a look at this one. Make sure I get them up the right way. Oh wow. Bit of seam binding here. I have read your letter, your little note to Debbie. This is a little card that Debbie has sent to me. Isn't it beautiful? Embossed card. Absolutely gorgeous. So we have a doily at the front there with a rose on the front there. I'll leave that like that. And then we have a brown paper bag, and she's got her name down the bottom, Crafty Stuff. Beautiful image here. And in the pocket, she's made a little journal in here. It's so cute. Love that, it's pretty. Okay, so then we flip it over and we have another pocket here. It's got some baking paper to cover the book page, just a little flower there and one up the top, and then she's made another little journal in there. It's room for journaling. And then on this page here, she's made a nice little pocket out of, we call it baking paper. I think you guys call it tracing paper in America. And she's made it like a shirt. So there's the bow tie. It's so cute. I love that. I love this sound too. And the lace is gorgeous. I'll lift it up. There you go. And then in here, she's popped in here another little mini journal for notes. This is beautiful. And that pops back in there. And then we turn the page and she's got some book page print-offs here, creating pockets. And she's popped tags into those. Looks like no, she didn't sew. And more larger tags in the other pocket. And room for journaling. And they pop back in there. Isn't that cute? I like that idea for a tuck spot there. That's really gorgeous. It's lovely. Love that. Some more room for journaling there and there. And then the doily goes on to the back there. So that is Debbie Harris's entry. Thank you very much, Debbie. This is beautiful. And make a lovely addition to the journal. Okay, so good luck in the drawing, Debbie. And I will catch you all on the next video. Bye.